A lot of patients may ask why Florida Plastic Surgery Group, and one of the reasons is we really try to make the patients feel welcome and in a warm environment, from the first phone call that they make to when they come through the door to when they meet the doctor or come back. Every employee that we've ever hired, the number one thing that we tell them is we want them to treat the patient as if they're family. Customer service is utmost importance, and I think that's why we've grown so much over the last 10 years since 2009.
One of the benefits of choosing Florida Plastic Surgery Group is you're getting 4 surgeons with a combined experience of over 50 years who perform more than 10,000 operations, and we work together to discuss your plan to give you the best results possible.
What I think sets Florida Plastic Surgery Group apart from our competitors is our commitment to reconstructive patients, primarily in breast cancer, but in other forms of cancer as well. We have 4 very committed doctors with a very diverse training background and a lot of experience treating all of these different problems, and I find that as a team we're very committed to this.
Florida Plastic Surgery Group is unique not only to this region, but it's also unique nationally. There are very few groups in the country outside of major academic medical centers that offer the latest cutting-edge techniques in microvascular reconstruction, and this has enabled us to cater to a broad spectrum of reconstructive challenges in a diverse patient population. Both as a group and as individual providers, it's our priority each and every day to provide and deliver safe, efficient, and high-quality patient care. And we do so by holding ourselves to the same standard of excellence by which we would treat any of our own family members.
Here at Florida Plastic Surgery Group, one thing you can be sure of is we treat all of our patients like family. You come into our world, you come in as a patient, you leave as a friend and as a family member. So we pride ourselves on every aspect. From the moment you walk in, you're greeted with the utmost respect and privacy, and brought back to be evaluated by either one of our providers, and making sure that you're getting the care that you deserve, so you go out and live your best life.
At Florida Plastic Surgery Group, we really try to make it convenient for the patient as much as we possibly can. We have multiple locations. We have one at Southside here at Baptist South Hospital. We have one at St. Vincent's Riverside and at St. Vincent's Clay. And we hope to have even more locations to provide the best experience possible for patients.
In choosing a plastic surgeon, one thing we pride ourselves on here is board certification. Patients will often ask, what is the difference between a board-certified plastic surgeon versus a cosmetic surgeon? A board-certified plastic surgeon has gone through the additional requirements and certifications in the American Board to make sure that we're providing the safest, most advanced care for every patient.
I can assure you here at Florida Plastic Surgery Group, we have some of the most down-to-earth, talented surgeons that you'll find across the boards. You can go to them with any questions or concerns, anything that comes up to your mind that you want to address. They will listen to you wholeheartedly and give you their honest opinion.
I think one of the things that sets our practice apart in terms of our fillers and injectable practice is not only have all of the PAs been injecting for years, but we also maintain our certifications and we go to continuing education conferences. But more so, where some practices are kind of competitive in their knowledge, we come back from conferences and we share our knowledge.
I think what sets this practice apart is the OR to office ratio. So I go into the OR and I get to see facelifts, so I really understand facial anatomy. So when I am injecting someone with a filler, I really know exactly where to put that filler to give people a natural result.
A lot of times, I see patients in the office and they're nervous about coming in. And after they meet with us and they've met the team and they've gone through the whole experience, they really feel at ease. They understand that we actually have the capabilities of delivering the results that they want and performing the surgery. They get a level of confidence on us. Their nervousness, their anxiety level drops dramatically, and we're really then beginning a great trust and bond with that patient and it usually continues for more than that procedure. I mean, we have patients coming back to us for a decade now that trust us with their aesthetic and reconstructive needs.
My name is Doris Grant. In 2016, I was diagnosed with breast cancer. I went to see a general surgeon. I asked her flat out, who would you see if you were sitting in my seat? And she didn't even hesitate but to choose Florida Plastic Surgery. Not only have my friends told me how great I look, all I have to do is look in the mirror. And I've never been happier, never. Life is still there after plastic surgery, only better.